Here's how to practice trading without risking real money on TradingView. This feature will allow you to practice your trading without using real money. So you can use fake money to practice your trading, and this is super important, especially if you are a beginner. I highly recommend to begin before you use real money, or especially before you use a lot of real money. It's a very good idea to, of course, get lots of practice in first. And to be able to practice inside TradingView, it's super simple. What you want to do is that you want to go down here to where it says trading panel. You press right here, and then what you can see here is that multiple brokers will appear. And this is one very cool thing about TradingView, that if you use one of these brokers, so for example, I use Bybit for trading crypto. This is one of the crypto exchanges I use, and you can actually connect Bybit to TradingView, so you can trade with real money through Bybit on TradingView. And by the way, guys, I can just mention that I have a special link to Bybit that you can use, and by using this link, if you are a crypto trader, you will get, the more you trade, the more free bonuses will get, and you can get a maximum of $30,000. But to be honest, pretty much no one will reach 30,000, but many traders will get maybe $100 in bonus or $500 in bonus. So make sure to use that link if you want to trade crypto. But for now, to open the practice tool, you want to click paper trading right here, and it's super simple. All you need to do is press connect, and just like that, we are connected to TradingView paper trading. And here you can see a few details. So for example, you can see that we start with a fake account balance of $100,000. So that is nice. I'm currently rich in fake money. Very nice, very nice. But we don't really have to worry about this panel for now. This is basically where, after you have placed a few trades, you will be able to see the trades here. You will be able to see how much money you have made, and so on and so on. But for now, what you need to do is that you just need to close down the panel, and to do that you press right here where it says collapse panel. And now let's say that we want to place a trade right here on Bitcoin. To do that, there are multiple ways to do it. You can either right click on the chart and press here add order on BTC, or you can use the buttons up here, so you can see you have a buy and sell button. But for now, let's just use right click and then add order on Bitcoin. And once again, you can see that we have a market order, limit order, and stop order. Let's keep it super simple for now and use the market order. This means that we buy or sell at the current price. So let's use market order, and let's choose that we buy 1 Bitcoin. Next, you want to plan your exit. So you want to plan where to take profit and where to set your stop loss. And right now the price is at 87,800. So let's say that we want to take profit, at relatively close. Let's say that we want to take profit at 90,000, and let's say that we want to set stop loss maybe below this low. So maybe at or let's actually do it even lower. Let's say that we want to set stop loss at 86,500. So 86,500, like that. We have the take profit, we have the stop loss, and that is pretty much all you need to activate this order. You simply press buy right here, and just like that, you can see that our trade is online. And now, if Bitcoin comes up here and passes this green line, then we will lock in our profit automatically. And if the price goes below this level right here, then we will automatically sell our Bitcoin. And this is the very basics of paper trading. So after this trade is done, or also while the trade is done, what you can always do is that you can take up your trading panel once again. So you can click on open panel right here, And here you can see a few things. So you can see that right now we are on positions. So we are currently in a long position, meaning that we bet that the market will go up. You can see here where we bought. This is the average fill price. You can see our take profit, our stop loss, and you can also see how it's currently going. So we are currently actually down $3, but this changes all the time as Bitcoin is moving. So for example, now our trade, as you can see, our trade turned into profit. We're now up $0.90. Let's go here. But what you also can see is that you have, some more orders. And the reason we have 3 orders here, even though we just, bought one time, that is because our take profit is now an active order. When the price comes to 90,000, we will automatically take profit. Or our stop loss is also active. When the price goes to 86,500, we will automatically sell. And having a take profit and a stop loss is so important, especially as a new trader. But even if you are an advanced trader, pretty much everyone uses stop loss and take profit so that the price automatically buys or sells. And this helps you, it's very important for risk management, and it helps your trading psychology, not involving emotions. Super important. And let's say that this trade locks in, then you will have, you will have your history of orders here. You will have the history of your balance. So you can, for example, track, how has your paper trading went. Remember, you start here with $100,000. But overall, paper trading is such a useful tool to practice your trading. Definitely make sure to use it. And now, super quickly, to get out of paper trading, you go here to the, let me just show you. You make sure to maximize the panel here. Let me remove my camera. You can see you press this right here, maximize panel. And then you click right here, and you can see you can press log out of paper trading. And now, just like that, we are no longer in paper trading. We are back here on our normal chart. Alright, so this video was just a very short clip from our full TradingView tutorial right here on YouTube. So if you want to master all aspects of TradingView, I highly recommend to click or tap on the screen right here, and I will see you all over there.